Evening to Gagan Sai. Yeah, today is the 7th class mathematics. Chapter number is the 7th. That is the data handling. Today we will learn the new topic, that is the 7.5 median. Page number is the 154. Today we will learn the new topic, that is that also a representative value of the median. Today we will learn that another way of calculating the represented value of the median. Okay, median is the definition. What's the definition? Median means is the mid value. Mid value means is the median is the middle of the observations in a sorted list. For examples of here it is examples 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. Middle means is that here it is a 9 is also there. Here it is the left side and right side is the divided into the two parts. Examples are take that is the 1 2 3 up to or 9 only. Yeah, first of all are the total observation is divided into the two parts only. Left side parts and it is the right side parts. Right side parts. So middle is the, this is the median. 5 is the median. Mid value. Median means is the mid value. Okay, this is the median. You can understand Gagan Sai neatly. What is the definition? Median is the middle of the observations. All are the observations. Middle is the observations in a sorted list. Sorted list means is the ascending or descending order observations. All are the sorted list of observation is the mid value is the median. You can understand of this one Gagan Sai definition of that median definition. Yeah, let us today we will learn the another way of calculating the representative value. You can learn through the examples. Learn the one examples. Here it is the first. Here it is that this is all are that the odd numbers. Odd numbers you can odd numbers of the observations you can divide it into two parts. That is the only single value is there. Left side is the 4 parts and right side is also 4 numbers. Left side is also 4 numbers. Middle is the only single number, that is the mid value. In that the odd numbers. This is the 9 means is the 1 to 9 means is the odd only. Odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers. But even numbers means is the for examples of 10. Here it is also 10 unte. These all is the 1 to 10 means is the even numbers. Even numbers. How to calculate the median of the value? How to calculate the median of the value means is the, that is also divided. The data set is divided into two parts. That is also 5 equal 5 parts and that is also 5. But there is a no mid value. So that's why you can left the 4 parts and here it is also 4 parts. 7, 8, 9, 10. That is also even number is the 5 and 6. Both the average of the two values you can average it. Taken that is we will get the calculate average of two terms, two numbers average we will get that the answer is the that only. What's one? Mid value only. First of all you can learn the another examples of one example, so you can learn that first solve this method only. Yeah, first one you can one examples. The monthly income of 7 graduates is, and if it's a one example sample examples, if you can learn it only examples I explaining. If you odd number if it's a one single number you can, that is the mid value only. Divided equal divided parts, two parts, that is the single value, that is the mid value. If it's a even numbers, number of observations also, if you have two terms, middle of the two terms, 4th and 5th terms, average of the 4th and 5th terms, we will get the median value. Yeah, this is the another example, so we will learn it only. The monthly income of 7 graduates is this like only. Rupees of 8,000, rupees of 9,000, rupees of 8,200 and rupees of 7,900 and rupees of 8,500 and rupees of 8,600 and rupees of 60,000. Find the median. find the median, you can find out the median. How to can find out the income, you can find out the median income. Yeah, 7 gradients. What's the, this is the odd number or even number? 7 is the odd number. So that's why you can, first of all, you can give that given data, you can write down in that sorted list only. Sorted list means is the ascending order. So that's why it's an arranging. First step, you can write down the given data. First of all, you can write down the given data, arranging the incomes. All are the incomes in ascending order, sorted list only. Ascending means is the sorted list. Ascending order. Ascending order, tell me the ascending order Gagan say neatly. One by one, 7, 900. If it's next one is the another one, rupees of this like, and next is the 8,000, and next 8,200, next 85. 8,500, next is the 8,600, next is the 9,000, next is the 60,000. You can understand it, can say this all is the sorted list of ascending order of the given data. Next is the number of observations. How many number of observations are there? Number of observations is already given, that the given data is the 7 only. So 7 is the odd number. Okay, 7 is the odd number. So that's why you can directly divide it. Given data is divided into 2 parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they divided into the 3. And if it's a left side of the 3 numbers and right side of the 3 numbers. Numbers means is observations. So that's a middle is the, this is the middle of that only. This is the median in odd number case. If it's, you can understand, I can say 8,500 is the that is that. What's one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term. This is the fourth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, seventh. So that's why the fourth term is the median. So that's why is the fourth term. You can understand, I can say fourth term, middle term. Yeah, middle term. Fourth term or middle term or median. Median equal to 8,500 only. You can understand, I can say neatly understood. Yeah, this is the first only. In case of the number of observation is in case of odd numbers. If in case of even numbers, how to calculate the even numbers? For examples of another, you can write down the another data. 49 and 48, 15 and 20 and 28, 17, 14 and one more is the 110 only. Okay, find the median. Find the median. You can solution, you can write down the solution. Say example 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of observations. So how many observations are there? Number of observations in our given data. Observations. Number of observations is equal to the 8 only. Here it is the given data. First of all, you can ascending order. You can write down the your sorted list only. Given data is our given data in our ascending order, sorted list only. So that's why is the ascending of all observations. Okay, all observations you can write down the ascending order. Yeah, you tell me that ascending order Gagan say neatly. Yeah, 14, next is the 15, 17, 20, 28, 48, 49, next is the 110. Okay, or is that ascending order only. So first of all, you can given data is divided into that ascending sorted list is divided into the 2 parts only. So that's why is the first year 3 you can divide it into the equal parts. Left side is also equal parts and right side is also equal parts. So that's why middle term is the 2 terms only. Why? Because here it is that even number of observations are there. So that's why you can find out the single. If it's a directly, you can write down the mid value only. But here it is that two numbers are there. So that's why you can average. You can take the average of the both terms. So which one term? First term, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Fourth, fifth. Average of the fourth and fifth only. After right side is also three numbers only. So that's why you can average of this like only. You can understand neatly. Average of fourth and fifth only. Okay, fifth. What's our fourth and fifth? 20. Average means is the plus only, median, and 20 plus 28 by 2. So that's why is the 48 by 2. 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 2 4 ja. So that's why is the 24. What is the therefore middle? Average means is the mid value. Mid value means is the middle value. Middle value or mid value, or you can median, mid value, or median also. All are the alag only. Median is also. Therefore median is also, middle value also, and mid value is also equal to 24. You can understood neatly? You can understood? Yeah, in your odd number case if it's only a single number, that is that median only. If it's a even number of observation, if it's both are two numbers, are you can average of the two numbers, middle of the two numbers, equal parts of the divided into the equal parts and left and right side. So you can both are the two middle, average of the two middle numbers. You can average, we will get the mid value. You can understand, I can say median. You can definition. You can understand median is the middle of the observations. Here is shorter list observations. You can understand. Yeah, you can. This is the. Let us now let us start the exercise 3 all problems. Today we will learn the all problems and solutions. Today we will learn only. Okay. Yeah. Next today we will learn the exercise 3 all problems and solutions. Okay. Yeah, this is that 3 all problems and solutions in our exercise 3, and previous year more problems, your exercise 2 problems. You can understand. I can say definitions. This is the notes today. Notes median definition. You can write here it is. And today we learn today we learn the exercise 3 all problems and solutions. First one, write it one by one. Okay. Yeah, let us start the exercise 3 all problems and solutions. First problem, first of all I read in our textbook, page number is the 156. Yeah, you understood I can say neatly? Median. Yeah, first of all, first problem, say true or false and why. First our 4 problems are there in our 4 bits are there in our first bit. So first one is the true or false. Why? Yeah, the difference between the largest and smallest observations in a data set is called the median. Here the difference between the largest and smallest observations is a data set. A mean means is the average of that only. Total of observation is the average. But here it is the difference of the largest and smallest observations. So that is also false only. Can is the false. Why? Because your mean is not your mean means is called as the difference of this, like largest and smallest observations. No. Yeah, average all are the observations of average. Sum of the average of all are sum of the all are observations is the mean only. So that's why you can this is the false only. So that's why is the second one. In a bar graph, the bar which has greater length may contains more. In a bar graph is our previous is also are finishing their sunflower oil. So that is also in your bar graph. Greater length may contains more. Greater length is may contains more. Is it correct? Yes. That is also mode. That is also true only. In a bar graph, that is a greater length. Greater length is the highest length in may containing the mode only. So that's why is also true. And next one is the third. Value of every observation in a data set is taken into account when a median is calculated. Value of every observations in a data set. total observations in a data set is taken into account when median is calculated. No. If it say that is also false. Why? Because here it is that here previous examples, here it is our textbook is also there in that examples. Here it is that middle means is the number of observations is the 7 only. So that's why the equal parts of that given data is divided into the equal parts, left and right. So that's is but you don't countable of left and right side only middle you can middle value you can take it only, but there's total number of observations but don't take that only in account. So that is also false only. You can understand Gagan Sai neatly. But here it is the given data. Words are given data. Here it is value of every observations in the given set is taken into account when the median is calculated. No. All are left side, right side, but there is a not countable only. Only middle is that middle value you can countable only. So that's why is the but is that this is also false, and your second one is also true, and your first one is also false. Okay, next is the fourth one. Fourth problem, the median of a set of numbers is always one of the numbers. Median is a set of numbers, is always one of the numbers. Median is a set of numbers. If a median is the number of observations, if a median is that in an odd case lo is there in that the median is there in our set of numbers. Yes, sometimes is there in that the data set, in your data set only. In your even numbers, in your even number of observations, but is not there of that only. In our one examples of in a previous examples are discussing there only, and our this problem Gagan Sai. If you say for examples of number of observations is that what's the answer? Fourth answer, median is the 8500. 8500 is there in our given data. Yeah, is there. So that's why it is there only. But in our in case which case, odd number case, odd number of observation, if it's a given data is there in our given median is there in our given data, but in your even number of observations, but here it is also another example. So that is also 24. Median is the 24 only, but here 24 is there in your given data. No. Ante your even number of observations if it's a median is not there. Okay, so that's why what's the answer? It is also median set of numbers is always one of the numbers. That is also false. Why? When it may be in some cases, but if it's what's our answer? Here it is. Okay, Gagan Sai. Yeah, what's our? You can write it the solution Gagan Sai neatly. Yeah, first and second and you can third. Yeah, third what's the reason? It take mean and mean or mid value. Yeah, mid value. Okay, it take a mean and mid value. If it's our fourth case, in our fourth one it is the false only. So that's why it are that is also 4. It may or may not in our data set, may or may not in data set. They not mode only. This is also not mode. Okay, that okay only is the it is the mean only. It is the mean only, but is not take. It is mean. Mean means is the mid value. It is it mean or mid value, but you are not mode. So in our 3 cases, if it's a fourth case is the it may or may not in a data set. Why? Because here it is that if even number, if the number is even, if the number is even number, even if it is, if it is not. Okay, if your number is even, if it is not there in our data set only. If you show odd aithe, if it is there in the data set. In your previous two examples you can today we will already see only. You can Gagan Sai neatly understood. Gagan Sai this like only. Yeah, even aithe if it's not in your data set only. If you even of number of observations is the even aithe, but say data set is not there only. If you odd aithe, if it is there in the data set in your two examples. So that's why it may or may not be in your data set. That is also false. So that's why the median set of numbers is one of the numbers. No, if it's a false, is it that is a false? If it's a may or may not. In this case, if it's a okay, is it only now odd numbers. But even number if it's not there only. Okay, not in our data set. And next is the second one only. Second problem. This is also false. And this is also false. Yeah, next is the second problem. The monthly income in rupees of 7 households in a village are 1200, 1500, 1400 and 1000, 1000 and 1600 and 10,000. First bit, find the median income of the households, and second bit is the if one more households with the monthly income of rupees 1500 is added, what will the median income be? What will the median income be? Here, first of all, you can what's the given data? Yeah, monthly income in a rupee 7 households in a village. Given data, you write it the given data solutions. You write down the solutions. Gagan side. First of all, say income. You can monthly income in here 7 households are a ascending order. In sorted listers, you can write down the sorted list. First of all, ascending order of monthly income. Monthly income of 7,000. Monthly income of 7 householders. 7 households. Okay, holds are what's our income? Tell me the Gagan sign neatly. 1000. First of all, 1000. Here it is also one more 1000. Okay, one more 1000, and another one is the 1200. Next is the 1400. Next is the 1500. Next one more is the 1600. Another one is the last one is the 10,000 only. Okay, sorted list of the given data. Write it all. Yeah, first bit. What's first bit? You can write on the first. Find the median income of the households. Find the median income of the households. Is the given data set. You can divide it into the two parts. First of number of observations. How many observations are there in the given set? Given data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is already given there. The 7 only. So that's why is the 7 divided into the two parts. Two parts is divided into the left side, and right side is also divided into two parts. Left side part and this is the right side part. What is the middle of this? The median only. You can understand Gagan side? Huh? Here what is the first bit is the median income of the households. Therefore, median income of the household equal to 1400 rupees. This is the first bit answer. Next is the second bit only. If one more households with monthly income of rupees 1500 is added, what will the median income be? One more household with monthly income added only. In our given data, if it's added up the one more 1500, you can add it up the given data. So that's why what will be the median? You can find out the median only. So that's why is the second bit only. You can understand Gagan sai. You are given data ku you can one more you can shorter list ki one more 1500 you can add up this like only 1500 and next is the 1200, next 1400, next is the 1500, one more 1500 you can add it up the given data. So that's why given shorter list of the data. So that's why you can one more you can add this like only and 1600 and another one is also last one is the 10,000. Okay. So what's our number of observations are there after adding up that 1500? How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. 8. Why? Because one more 1500 you can add up this only. So that's why you can is the this is the 8. 8 is the even number. Okay. This is the odd number only. Number of observations. So number of observations. How many observations are there? Number of observations. Number of observations equal to 7 only. 7 means is the odd number or even number? Odd. Odd number. So that's why is the number of observations is after adding up the 1500. How many observations are there? 8. 8 is the even number or odd number? Even number. Number of observations. Number of observations equal to 8 only. So that 8 is the even or odd? Odd. Even. 8 is the even number. Even number. So that's divided into the two parts, two equal parts. That is the 3 and left side is also 3. 3 observations and right side is also divided into the 3 parts only. So middle part is all are the 4 and 4 only. 8 means is the 4 and 4, but there is no median value. Left side and right side is the divided into the 2 equal parts, but there is no median of the value, no value only. So that's why you can is the left side is that 3 parts and right side is also 3 parts. So that's why the middle is the 4th and 5th term is the, this is the 4th and 5th term of the value. Average you can take the value of the 4th and 5th only. The middle value of 4th and 5th only. So 4th and 5th middle average means is the 1400 plus 1500 by 2 only. Okay. So that's why 1400 1500 means is the what's the sum? Sum means is the 2900 only. So that's why is the 2900 by 2. 2 means is the 2 1 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10 and 0. So that's why is the rupees of 1450 rupees. You can understand Gagan sign Italy. So that's what is the second bit is the what's on what will be the median income of that one only. So that is the median. Middle value means is the 4th and term is the median only. This is also median. So that's why is the median of income. Median of income equal to rupees of 1450 rupees. That is the answer. You can write down. You can understand after 1500 added, that is the median only. We will get the median. Next is the third problem. First of all, I read in your textbook only. Observations of a data sets are 16, 72, 0, 55, 65, 55, 10 and 41. Chaitanya calculated the mode and median without taking the 0 into consideration. Did Chaitanya do the right thing? Let's say, is it correct? You can solve this problem neatly. First of all, you can solution. You can write down the solution one by one. You'll be careful. You listen better. But there is no blackboard, so that's why you can listen on our and explaining on our notebook only. Yeah, listen better neatly. Yeah, first one is that given data. What's the observation of the given data? Here, write down. Here it is the first step. You can write down the given data. Given data equal to 16, 72, 0 and 55 and 65 and 55 and one more is the 10 and 41. Okay, Gagan Sai? Are you okay? How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. 8 is there 8? Even or number? Number of observations. Number of observations. Number of observation equal to 8 only. So that's why 8 is the even number or odd number? Even number. Even number only. So that's why you can, first of all, you can arranging the data in our ascending order. Okay, I can say first of all ascending order. Okay, ascending order of given data. What's the ascending order? You can shorter list. You can say neatly. Yeah, 0 and you can 10, 16, next 41, 55, and one more is the 55, 65, 72. Is it correct order? 0, 10, 16, 41, 55, 55, 65, 72. Okay, is it correct? Yeah, you can also asking here is the mode. Mode means is the, what is the mode here? It is that in our given data, what's the mode? Mode means is the more frequently appeared on the observation. So 50 R. Mode is the
55.
Mode equal to 55. And is the median. Median means you can find out the median. Median means is the this is the even numbers only. So that's why you can is the first one you can divided into two equal parts. So that's why is the, what is the median of that fourth term and fifth term only. So that's why is the, this is the fifth term. So that's why median means is the fourth term and fifth term. Average of the fourth plus fifth term only by 2. So that's why is the 41 plus 55 by 2. Okay, 55 plus 41. So that's why is the 6 plus it is the 9 only, 96 by 2. So that's when 2 1 1, 2 4 8 and 2 8 16. So that's why is the 48. Median is the 48. But here it is the words are given, you know, or given problem. Once you read the given problem, I can say Chaitanya calculate the mode and median without taking the 0. But with 0 you can calculate the median and mode. But without 0 is not take the Chaitanya. So that's why I calculate the median only. So 0 is deleted the 0. So that's why is the 10 and 16, 41, 55 and one more is the 55 and 65, 72. So that's why how many number of observations is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. So number of observations. Number of observations is how many observations are there? 7. 7 means is even or odd? Even odd number. Odd numbers is divided into the two equal parts. So that's why is that left side and right side. Middle is the, what's the middle is the median. Middle is the median. Median is, this is the median. Median is the, what's the median? Median is the 55. But Chaitanya you can decided that what's the Chaitanya mode is also 55. Median is also 55. Okay, but with the median is it without 0? Without 0 median is the 55. But with the median with 0 median is the 48. But both are is it correct? No, both are not same only. Okay, mode is both in case lo, if you say with 0 and without 0, both case lo, in your two cases lo, mode is the same only, but you are no change. Mode is the same, but in your with 0 median and without 0 median is the both are the same.
No.
Is it same? No. If it's a both are in case lo, if it's a median is the not same. Therefore, Chaitanya calculated the Chaitanya. Okay, Chaitanya calculated the mode is correct. Mode is correct only. Both cases mode is correct. Article 55. So the mode is correct. But median is wrong. Okay, median is wrong. You can understand Gagan side. Median is wrong. One case is 55, another case is also wrong only. So that's why this is the answer only. Yeah, but there is today's 3 problems is it's over. In our exercise are 3, but your remaining are 2 left problems there. But there is today's no time only. So that's why tomorrow will you continue the remaining 2 problems there only. Today is no time. So that's why today class is after 3 problems. So today class is over. Say
Thank you.
tomorrow will you continue the next 2 problems. Yeah, today say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan. Say bye bye.